back to the 15 uke songs challenge. In the comments below, let me know if you have been able to stick to using one ukulele for the whole thing. Be honest. Those of you who have been able to get a gold star. Speaking of ukuleles, I've been playing this Enya ukulele, which I will link down below. And I have my other favorite ukes from Enya on the wall as well because they sponsored this challenge. So special thanks to Enya. I will link this ukulele down below and a few others as well. I love this one because it's blue, mahogany, affordable, and it's got strap buttons. Now as the baby is getting bigger, I think I need to play around with like new positions on how to hold the ukulele. Alright, so for this song, we're using the island strum. I feel like I worked you really hard on the last one. So I thought, okay, let's have kind of like an easier day. So let's play the intro together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. So I just kind of went into the chorus. For my overachievers, add a chuck. That'll add a really nice rock feel. If you don't know how to chuck yet, I will add a tutorial here and down below. Please try to at least chuck, okay? So we've done the chorus. The chorus is the same 4 chords. Hiccups. The chorus is the same 4 chords as the intro. So let's look at the verse. If there's a challenging part in the song, it would be the verse. Because we have an A minor and an E minor. So we kind of have to jump. Right? So find a way that you're able to make that jump without dropping your uke. I've got the strap, so it kind of gives me like it lets me cheat. Let's try the verse. 1, 2, play a little softer because it's a verse. 1, 2, 1, 2, a little softer. Into the chorus. Okay, so chorus 1, verse 1, chorus 2, verse 2, chorus 3, all of those are the same. So let's look at what else is different about this song. Okay, so now we have a transition that goes from E minors to C chords, which is nice. Here's a little trick. Look up real quick. Look up real quick. Thank you. When you're playing E minor, you can leave the index finger on the 2nd fret when you play C. So that'll be like a really nice little trick to impress your friends. And if you don't have friends, I can be your friend. You can impress me. So you got E minor and then C chord. They sound so good together, right? And then the bridge is the same form, same thing. Some little things that will make the song sound like rocker cool, because this, you've learned all the chords for the whole thing. Okay, so I like that before going into any chorus to do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So for example, let's try after verse 1. Taking on, taking on. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Try that again. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, smile. 1, 2, ready, go. People and my overachievers, you can take it even up a level, so you're doing the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it'll sound like this. Take it on, take it on. So that adds an even more like kind of feel to it. Oh my gosh, that's kind of embarrassing. But anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so and the transition right before the end of the song where you have like a really cool part. Do it there again. Let's keep going and finish the song so you can finish everything. Okay, so that's the whole song. It's a pretty easy chord progression, pretty easy strumming pattern, but you can do a lot with it, and then depending on how much emotion and energy you pour into it, you'll see a really big difference in how the song sounds. Now, if you'd like to do a full play along, join us on Patreon. I'm uploading play alongs of all 15 uke songs and future tutorials as well for the patrons, so this will be there. Like, you can play from beginning to end with me. Please continue using the hashtags. We're using 30-day uke song challenge and 15 uke songs as our hashtags around social media. And we have a private Facebook group called Ukulele if you'd like to join us there and bond with other people who watch this channel, other people who are hoarding ukuleles, and people who just are in their learning journey and want to bond with other people who are on the same journey. Again, special thank you to Enya for sponsoring this challenge. It is so much fun so far, and I can't wait to see your covers of this one. I'll see you soon. Sayonara!